Honorable Malema.
Sorry, madam, you were interrupted when you were trying to give us example of two cases. You said there are two cases and then you stopped there.
Honorable Malema, there were two cases that are already in court. The first case relates to the criminal allegations against Chief Financial Officer Major General Lushaba of Crime Intelligence. That was the first matter that was enrolled. And then a little over 2 weeks later, the matter relating to Lieutenant General Khumalo and the 6 other accused was enrolled. There are 4 other investigations that have yet to be enrolled because those investigations are not yet complete, but they arise out of that Section 27 referral. I hope I've provided clarity.
So, in those cases, do you find the name of General Mkhwanazi in there and the National Commissioner being part of the referrals that were sent to?
In terms of the Section 27 referral by Mr. Adams, I can tell you that I don't recall being briefed or seen in the referral itself for the authorization the name of General Mkhwanazi. And also with regards to the National Commissioner, I haven't seen his name other than, I guess, as the investigations progress. And to be very honest with you, Honorable Malema, I haven't had a briefing as of recent, so I cannot tell you about the National Commissioner and whether or not his name does appear.
But there was a story that there is prima facie evidence that is in your position against Mkhwanazi and the National Commissioner, and you are reluctant to charge. And if that is the case, will that not be defeating the end of justice if there is an overwhelming or prima facie evidence before you and you are reluctant to charge because of certain names, irrespective of who they are?
So to be clear, Honorable Chair and members, those allegations do not come out of the Section 27 referral. When I took over as the head, as the ID, there were already corruption matters that had initially fallen within the ambit of IPID. Those IPID investigators, when they were brought over to the ID at the time, came with their cases.
Are you okay, Honorable?
No, she was still responding to my question.
You will indicate if you are...
It's not me, it's an honorable member from Eastern Cape.
May I be allowed to finish, and then if Honorable Ngola will then be allowed to ask. Thank you, Chair. So those allegations do not arise out of the referral. They were corruption allegations that were initially reported at IPID. IDAC is not afraid to act. We can only act when we have sufficient evidence. And just because there's a complaint doesn't make a criminal charge. And that is why where we are at,